Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel Best Coaching. So are you a UPSC aspirant from Vadodara, Gujarat? So are you someone who is looking for the ideal coaching institute which can provide you with all the necessary materials, the faculty that you need and the practice that you want to make sure that you clear your UPSC goal while sitting at home in these COVID times? Well, don't worry. There are some coaching institutes out there who are providing these things. So, today I am going to tell you about the top 4 Judiciary Civil Services Coaching Institute out there which you can opt and make sure that you clear your dream of UPSC. So, time is precious both for you and me. So, let's not waste any time and get to the main topic. So, guys, beginning on with the rank 4th, this coaching institute is an ideal one for you if you are someone who is equipped to give the exam in Hindi language and are fearful because all the coaching institute out there operate in English medium. Well, don't worry. The Yojana IAS is here to the rescue because its mode of operation is both in Hindi as well as English medium. Well, it has more facilities that will amaze you, like you will get here group discounts for students and female aspirants. The faculty that you get here will be experienced from years of teaching and guiding students. Opportunity of discussion about various topics on various platforms is also available. Moreover, doubt clearing session facility is available and you will get study booklets and notes to strengthen your preparation. Don't worry about the batch sizes. Only 60 candidates are allowed in a batch so that you can get that comfortable environment that you need to study and make sure that you clear your goal. So, do you want to know more about them? Visit yojanaias.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. Now, moving a level above. The coaching institute ranking number 3 is Plutus IAS. I'm sure that you must have heard of its name or have seen a review from a student online somewhere because of its excellent result that it gave in the past years, as you can see on the screen. So, are you excited to know about them? Plutus IAS is one of the ideal choices for Judiciary Civil Services exam coaching, and it only operates in online class mode and makes sure that it becomes better every day for their student. Here, you will get live classes as well as recorded lecture facility so that you can study at any time of the day and revise as much as you want. You will get here mock test for your preparation practice. Moreover, don't worry about the batch sizes. They prefer quality over quantity, so only 40 to 50 students are allowed in a batch to get the required environment. Moreover, talking about the faculty member, they have experience of 10 plus years and are themselves passed out from some dream colleges like JNU, BHU, and DU. So that makes them much more qualified to teach you. Moreover, they have provided various resources like daily quiz, study material, etc. to their students to strengthen the preparation. Regarding their fees, it is rupees 1 lakh plus GST and the course duration is only about 9 to 12 months. So do you want to join them or do you want to check them out? Visit plutusies.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. Now, moving on to the rank 2, this coaching institute is important for you if you are someone who is still doubtful of your preparation strategy. Yes, not only you, there are millions of students out there who are confused every year that how should they start the preparation, from where they should start, how should they approach the time management, etc. But there is a lack of experts out there who can clear your doubts. So, the Hindu Zone has brought together a team of experts to clear your doubts, and that too for free. Yes, you heard it right. You can also avail their paid counseling feature. Moreover, in this coaching institute, you will get recorded video lecture of every prominent coaching out there on their site. Online offline mode, both are operational in this coaching institute. Moreover, doubt sessions are conducted specially for the students to make sure that they clear the doubt every time they need to. And for a practice, mock test will also be conducted. So, are you amazed by them or do you want to get a free counseling session? Visit thehinduzone.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. So now, ending the video with the top performer of our list, the one which you all have been waiting for. The rank 1 institute is Kautilya IAS. Yes, Kautilya IAS is one of the ideal choices for many aspirants out there as it deals exclusively only for Judiciary Civil Services exam. It aims to shape and mold legal career through institutionalized teaching and come up as a pioneer in Judiciary Coaching Institute. Well, moving on to its feature, the teaching method that they use here is based on recent law case judgment. Expert guidance is available for subject to subject special emphasis. Moreover, small batch sizes are maintained to provide a better understanding and a better environment. Doubt sessions are conducted after or during the classes to make sure that every doubt is attended by the teacher. Moreover, daily sample paper will be given for practice, which is really beneficial in making sure that you check your strength and weakness. And to test you, they conduct weekly mock tests. So isn't that amazing? They have much of a practice. Don't worry. To know more about them or their fee structure, visit kautilyaIAS.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. So guys, I hope that this did help you. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button and do comment down your favorite coaching institute or any other suggestions that you want. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.